Welcome to my class on Vedic maths. Topic for today's class is single digit sum, or in short we also call it SDS, single digit sum. So what is that and why we need to know about it? Suppose we have a digit 534. So how to find its single digit? We will add all the digits 5 plus 3 plus 4, that gives us 30, and then we will add this 1 and 3 also, and that gives us finally 4. So single digit sum for 534 is 4. I explain you once again. We have been given the digit 534. We will add all the digit till we get a single digit, and that is called single digit sum. So 534 is 5 plus 3 plus 4. 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. Sorry, it is 12. And finally we add 1 and 2 also, so we get 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So single digit sum for this is 3. Similarly, what is the single digit sum for 21,845? 2 plus, we will add all the digits, 2 plus 1 plus 8 plus 4 plus 5. So 2 plus 1, 3 and 8, 11 plus 4, 15 plus 5, 20. And in 20 we will add 2 and 0, that gives us 2 plus 0 equals to 2. So single digit sum for 21,845 is 2. Next is 4,53,934. So we will follow the same process. Add all the digits 4,539,34. So we finally get 28, and add 2 8. Again we get 10. Again add 1 0, and we finally get 1. So single digit sum for this is 1. Friends, I will teach you why this is important to know single digit sum and what are its applications. It has got wonderful applications, especially for those who are taking any kind of competitive exams or any kind of exams. You will come across it and the use of it, and it has got a wonderful application. In this video we will learn the shortcut method to find single digit sum. So what is that shortcut method? Suppose we have to find the single digit sum of 35,260. So we will write all the numbers as it is and strike out the numbers which sum to 9. For example, 3 plus 5 plus 1. Together they make 9. 3, 5, 8 plus 1, 9. So we are left with 2 plus 6, that is 8. So single digit sum is 8. Similarly, in this case, 3, 6, 9, 7, 2, 9. So we are left with 4. So single digit sum here is 4. In the next example, 3,541, our numbers are written 3541. So we'll cancel those numbers that make together, that add up to 9. So we have cancelled 5 and 4 because 5 plus 4 is 9. So we are left here again with 4. In this example, 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 1. So again we will cancel those numbers that make up to 9. So 6 plus 3, 5 plus 4, 7 and 2. So we are left with 1. So single digit sum for this is 1. I hope till here it is clear. There is one easy method again to find the single digit sum SDS in larger digits, which we can do like this. Suppose we have this digit 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 7, 4, 3, and we have to find the single digit sum of this large number. So what you are expected, you keep on adding in sequence 2, 3, 5, 5, 10, and as soon as you exceed 9, you subtract 9. So 5, 2, 3, 5, 5, 10, 10 minus 9 is 1. Now 1 and plus 4, 5 and 6, 11. Now 11 is more than 10, so subtract 9, you get 2. And 2, 7, 9, 9 minus 9, 0. So you are left with 4 and 3, that is 7. Similarly, in this case, how we are going to proceed? 3 plus 5, 8 and 6, 14. 14 minus 9, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 minus 9, 3. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 5, 12. 12 minus 9, 3. And 3 plus 4, 7. Friends, because I am explaining you, so definitely it is taking much time, but with little practice, as I am telling again and again, these things will be a very easy task for you. Let us take this question. 5, 4, 5, 7, 4, 6, 3, 2. So start adding and subtracting 9. So 5 plus 4, 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. 7, 5, 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. So you get 3 here. So 3 plus 4, 7, and 7 plus 6 is 13, and 13 minus 9 is 4. Again 4, 3, 7 and 2, 9. So your SDS is 9. So I hope you have understood about what is SDS and how to find it. SDS stands for single digit sum, and it has got a wide application which I will discuss with you in coming videos.